Welcome back to our live stream video today. My name is Stephanie Bohr. I'm the Partner Marketing Manager here at Rockwell, and I'm back here at Rock Studios at Automation Fair, and I'm joined by Julie Robinson, our Director for Product Management, and Sharon Billy Duran, Business Manager for Visualization Software. Hi ladies, thanks for joining today.
Hi, thanks for having us.
So before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to all of our live stream viewers, and please let us know in the comments how you plan on using FactoryTalk Design Hub. So ladies, you ready to jump in and get started?
Ready as we'll ever be.
All right, awesome. So Julie, to really kind of get things jump started today, we know that the challenges facing today's manufacturers are really complex, multifaceted, and automation suppliers are really needing to ensure that faster time to market, which as we know requires innovation. So to meet those demands, we know that industry leaders are really trying to embrace that digital transformation. So why are more suppliers adding cloud platforms to their portfolios today?
Yeah, I mean, just like you said, right? It's really about speed and agility, both for us and for our customers, right? So our customers are looking for, faster time to market, faster time to innovation, higher quality, right? All those things, and being in the cloud really enables collaboration. Folks can be distributed geographically all across the world, and they can work together on, on the same project. They don't have to worry about stepping on toes, kind of getting in each other's ways, and it really just helps make them do their work so much faster, right? And get things done so much faster. And the other nice thing about the cloud is that you don't have to worry about software to install. You don't have to worry about patching. You don't have to worry about special hardware, anything like that. Everything that you need is available from a web browser, and so it really just simplifies that experience and just helps people get some time back in their day.
That's a great answer. We all like time back.
Yeah,
absolutely. So when we are talking about the cloud and the additional capabilities it offers for collaboration, so can you tell our viewers how specifically does the cloud maximize productivity across teams of all different sizes?
Yeah, so I mean, we talked about kind of access from anywhere, right? They can access it from anywhere using a web browser. The other thing is having all their files stored centrally, right? And so they don't have to worry about what version they're working on. Right. They don't have to worry about emailing files back and forth. They don't have to worry about oh gosh, I made a change and I overwrote something that you were working on. And so it just really helps make that process go so much smoother, and there's much less chance for error and much less chance for rework. So
overwriting files, we remember those days.
Yeah.
And all the errors that go along with that.
Yep.
So no, that makes a lot of sense. So Sharon, customers have really told us that they're really excited about reusable content, which as we know is speeding time to market. So how does cloud collaboration really boost the value of reusable content?
So that is a great question, because just like Julie said, if you are a machine builder or you're a system integrator and you are providing multiple end user systems, you already have a library of code that you're using. And you want to be able to reuse that on different projects. You want to be able to customize them for your end users. And with the power of cloud collaboration is that you can have that centrally managed library content. And like Julie said, you have multiple people working on it. You're able to keep track of who changed what. You're able to keep track of what they did. You always have the latest version. And there's no emailing files. If I want to make a change to a file, I grab it from the central repository and I always have the latest version. I check it back in and I know my colleagues will have my changes. So it really benefits the multiple people working on the same set of code. Just really makes it so much more efficient.
And a peace of mind
at
the same time.
Absolutely.
So no, that's great. So Sharon, you mentioned updating content after a system is already running. So which really hints to the idea of managing things remotely. So how do remote access tools really play a part in today's world?
No, so that's a great point. So sometimes systems are updated after the machine is already running. So not everything happens in the early design phase of a project. So remote access allows users or allows subject matter experts even to be anywhere in the world and be able to access their customers' machines, be able to provide support, be able to provide updates. So remote access from a centralized location enabled through the cloud really provides peace of mind, like you said, even after the machine has been deployed and in production.
I can imagine the amount of savings that would take because you're not getting on a plane, you're able to just log right in and to be able to support that customer immediately versus spending time traveling across the country or even the world.
Yeah, I mean, that's become the de facto standard now.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic. So Julie, let's switch over to software as a service. So the benefits of the cloud have, as we know, never been more accessible than today. So how can you tell our live stream viewers, how does cloud software really enable that system, those system developers to think differently today?
Yeah, I think there's like three main areas, right? One is just around scalability, right? We've all been on projects where like maybe things are a little bit behind. We need to throw a bunch more people at it to kind of get the project back on schedule. And so, having these kind of consumption models in the cloud really supports that scalability, right? I can scale up, I can scale down pretty quickly. And let's say I just need 30 more users for a couple of months, right, to kind of get the project back on track. So I can do that much more easily with our SaaS products, right? And I don't have to do a full year subscription for just that short period of time where I need that increased attention, right?
Right.
I think the other area is it really kind of lowers the risk for checking out innovations, right? So a great example is we're showing this week is we have a new generative AI Copilot in our Design Studio product. And so, if folks want to check it out and see how it works, cloud is a pretty low risk opportunity to kind of check out some of these new innovations and see if they work for you and kind of, provide some of the value that you're looking for. And then I think the third thing is really around access to data, right? When data is kind of trapped in the silos of our on-prem products, it's not nearly as valuable, right? So kind of liberating it to the cloud, making it available to so many more applications, just opens up so many more possibilities for analytics, for machine learning, for AI. And so I think it's super important to have that data available to the system to see kind of the full system context and really kind of leverage the power of that data.
Oh, that's fantastic. I love your 1, 2, 3 because that's how I think as well. So no, that's fantastic. So Sharon, so when we talk about technology and automation, we're really driving, our next generation of manufacturing. And so many organizations are really trying to harness the cloud to transform the way we work today. So why should customers invest in the cloud now? Like, why today?
Why today? So I'm going to ask that a little bit differently. Why not today?
Great question. Yes.
So I think first and foremost is just the ease of entry. The fact that it takes nothing more than a web browser. In fact, users today, anybody with a MyRockwell ID can log into FactoryTalk Hub and get a 90-day free trial on pretty much all of our design software that's there, and it's so easy to get started. Second is the innovation. All the things that Julie was talking about. The fact that you have your data in the cloud, you have your information there. It enables so much more, and allows you to be more innovative, so much more quickly. And like Julie said, the scalability, the ease of bringing more people onto a project, the ease of they don't have to have a CDE and install a bunch of software just to get started. They just log in with their web browser. So that's ease of entry and scalability. So I think now or later, why not now?
Why not now? And I love the word ease. And that's a simplified way to look at it. It's just easy access, and I know that our customers, we don't need friction. We want easy entry, so that's fantastic. So I appreciate you both for being here and providing all your expertise to our live stream viewers, so thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
And to learn more about how you can benefit from cloud collaboration, visit rock.auto/Design Hub. And thank you so much for watching, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more share from Automation Fair.